How to change name on Facebook Lite. So first of all, launch Facebook Lite app. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. From here, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on Settings on top. From here, go ahead and tap on See More in Account Center. Now, once you come here, tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Now, once you come over here, go ahead and tap on your Facebook profile. Now, you'll see two of these categories, name and username. So, let's go ahead and tap on Name. So now, as you can see that in my case, I have recently updated my Facebook name, so I won't be able to change it until 60 days. So if you wish to change your name on Facebook Lite, you can follow these simple steps. You can edit your first name and last name, and then you would be able to see the option of change. Once you tap on it, you will successfully be able to change your name on Facebook Lite. However, once changed, you won't be able to change it for the next 60 days. You can go back and follow the same step if you wish to change your username as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.